Hello friends, in this video I'm going to show you how to change clothes in Roblox quickly and easily. First of all, open the Roblox app and log into your account if you are not already logged in. Once you are in, tap on the avatar menu at the bottom center of your screen. This is where you can customize your character's appearance, including clothes, accessories, body colors, and more. Next, tap on Customize. From there, select Clothing. Here you can choose from different categories such as tops, outwears, shoes, shorts, pants, t-shirts, and more. Once you are in the desired category, scroll through the items you own and tap on the one you want to wear. It will automatically be applied to your avatar. You can preview the changes instantly and make adjustment if needed. If you want to remove any item you are currently wearing, simply tap it again to deselect it. This helps you mix and match your outfits easily without any confusion. Some items might require Robux, so if you don't see the item you want, you may need to purchase it from the catalog. And that's it. Now you know how to change clothes in Roblox. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. And make sure to tap the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.